Thank you very much for this wonderful speech, Mr. Fadnavis. And you've raised our hopes a lot, especially on all the areas that we've been concerned with. But like I told you a little earlier, there are lots of activists here. Some of them want to present a memorandum to you. I'm going to request just 2 or 3 of them to come up and do it. One of them is Mr. Sailesh Mishra, who wants to present a memorandum on behalf of senior citizens. He's got several senior citizens associations and leaders with him today. And Dolphy D'Souza, I think, wants to give you a memorandum on behalf of the police reforms.
Thank you, Suchita. Honorable Chief Minister, we have been reading your various pronouncements and statements on good policing, police reforms, and police personnel. We know, sir, that your heart is in the right place as far as policing and police personnel is concerned. Having said that, we would like to know from you when we're going to likely have a proper debate and a complete debate on the new law that has been enacted in June 2014 called the Maharashtra Police Continuance and Amendment Act, which was actually opposed by you and your party when you were in the opposition. We need to know that from you, sir, because that's very important in terms of various concerns about policing that is there in the whole state of Maharashtra. And we've also asked you for a time, sir, when our group can meet with you to discuss this issue. Thank you so much.
The matter of fact is that the said law was opposed by me because it was not in accordance with the Supreme Court's judgment. While Supreme Court wanted to give more autonomy to police to make it free from political interference, in that act, mostly all the powers were retained by government. So the spirit of Supreme Court's order did not reflect in that law. Now, in this session, we are coming up with more amendments in that law, wherein we are divulging more powers to the police force. All the powers of transfers would be given to the DG and SPs, because as you know that SP is responsible for a district, and if he is not even permitted to transfer a constable, and if a constable does not work and the SP says that this is not a proper way, and constable says मेरी तो मंत्री जी से पहचान है, तुम मेरा क्या कर लोगे? So how would you expect? Because it's a discipline force. So now we have decided and we are giving entire powers. I know that even after the amendments which we have made, there will be certain grey areas. We will work on it, but at least we have taken a step forward. Thank you.